Now on the parade ground itself, later when Albin is training the troops, each set of uniforms were different. The old Imperial Army and the new Imperial Army. It obliged us to literally have to give two separate looks to these extras. It was a remarkable accomplishment on Nyla's part to be able to, you know, keep them straight, and the ADs as well, to be able to dress a certain number and change them even in the middle of a day for different sequences, because they took place in different times of the movie, yet we only had a certain number of days on.